Yeah, good day everyone. This is Smile and you're now Smile Network. Do wait to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also for more information about the latest airdrop and how to make money online, you can do wait to join my WhatsApp channel, or better still, you can visit my website www.digitalyclub.com. So do that. And this video is for those that doesn't know how to go about the latest airdrop that is going on presently, which is the class airdrop that is going on presently. So do wait to follow the instruction one after the other. Thank you so much. Yeah, for those that doesn't know how to go about this grass mining app, so this is how to go about it. I'm going to take us through the process one after the other. So these are the things that you need. You need Miss browser, and then you need Phantom wallet. So just go to your Play Store. To your Play Store, find Miss browser. So this is how it looks like. Let me show you. So here's it. You can see Miss browser. So after that, then you go to your browser and also look for Phantom wallet. Phantom wallet. Phantom wallet. So here's it. Phantom wallet. So you install it and install it too. So after that, you can start the process. And what are the process? Just click on the referral link that I sent to you guys. Just check the group, or if you are watching from YouTube, I'm going to drop a description link there. So check it and then click on it. And after that, copy that referral link. Then come to your Phantom app. So here is Phantom app. Then come to this side, like circle like this. So here's the browser. Then paste the link here. So when you paste the link here, let's see what is going to happen. So you'll be directed to this page. So just enter your email, your username, then enter your true password here, and then under the referral code, make sure my referral code is showing. That's how you can pay me. So then accept this terms and conditions, and then solve this captcha, and then register. And after you register, you can now log in. So let me show you how to log in. So just enter your email and enter your password, then you get access to your account. But before that, you'll be sent a confirmatory code into your email, so you confirm that. That is it. So after you have logged in, your home page will not look like this. So the first thing you are going to do is to make sure you confirm your wallet first. So you come to this side. There is something like something like profile here. So there is my own. You can see my own is verified. So come to this something like gift here. So you see verify email. You have verified your email immediately. You register, and under it you will see verify wallet. So you click on this side. You see wallet successfully connected. On your own, there will not be something like this. So you just click on verification of wallet. So click on it, and then it will ask you to confirm your wallet. So you just click on confirm, and then your wallet will be connected immediately. It will be connected to this website. And after that, the next thing you are going to do is to go to your Miss browser and go and connect it. So to do that, let me show you that one. So when you install your Miss browser, this is how your page will look like when you first log in. So this is it. Just copy the link of the what's it called, grass website. Just copy it and paste it, and then you now be directed to that page again. That's where you are going to log in. So I'm logging into my website now. Let's see how my website look like. So after you log in on your website on Miss browser, yet you haven't done. So what you are going to do, please pay close attention to this site. Come to this extension. Come to extension and click on extension here at the top. Then click on this side. Then click on discover more extension and themes. So click on it, web store, and then on it you use something like search. So you type grass light note. Let me show you what I type so that you can see it. I hope you guys can see it now. Grass light note. So you search for it. After you search, then you can see this is it. Click on it. My own is showing like this because I've installed it already. So here that you are saying removed on Chrome, it should not be removed on Chrome. It should be installed on Chrome. So install to Chrome. So you click on it, and after you click on it, it will be installed to this Chrome browser. Do you get what I'm saying? And after that, click on this side. You are going to see your grass light notes here, like my own, and then click on it. So when you click on it, then you can now click on, when you click on it, you can now click on connect. So it's going to connect. It's going to connect. Oh, sorry for that. Let's check it again. So you can see it's connected. So immediately it will be connected to your grass page immediately, as long as the login is inside the image browser. So it's going to connect immediately. So let me take it to my own dashboard. So here is my own dashboard. You can see the thing is going is mining. So that's how to register on your grass for your grass airdrop. So thank you. See you next time.